So let's talk about the low D style. So low Ds tend to be far more cooperative and agreeable. So what causes us stress? Well, anger-charged situations, heightened, high, loud emotions, being bossed around. I know we wrote being challenged here. I feel like when the challenge comes across in a way that's like really bossy. And frankly, this is going to be true for most all of the styles. Under stress, the opposite style stresses us out even more. So while high Ds might be stressful for low Ds in general, when we are under stress, it's even more true. So how do we behave? Well, low Ds tend to withdraw, sometimes even more. How we act out sometimes can be really passive aggressive. Instead of just dealing with something, we still just kind of skirt it. And if the pressure gets to be too much, it's sort of like that bottle of soda or a bottle of carbonated something. We just get shaken and shaken until eventually it just blows. So what can we do for stress relief? Well, find a place where we can collaborate, being able to really coordinate with others and hearing other ideas. I'll be honest, part of this series of workshops I created for my own selfish nature to survive the month of April. I wanted to be able to create a collaborative environment where I could see all of your faces and have conversations. So I'm trying to relieve my own stress. I hope it's causing some of you some stress relief too. I think communicating in those quieter, calmer voices and finding activities or things that you can do where everyone succeeds. So even in our current home life, right? Again, what are some things that we could do together where everybody gets to win? Everyone gets to have their part. And maybe even if it's collaborating by other Zoom calls or phone conversations with people that aren't in your home right now, what can we do to really be able to encourage everyone and collaborate? What other ideas do all of you have around either maybe things that cause stress for this low D style, how it might show up, or what really relieves the stress? Yes, Shireen, you will get a copy of this presentation in its full details when we're finished.